Today, I'm unboxing the Kingsmith WalkingPad Treadmill. Let's get going. Woohoo! It is on wheels and it says to not have it on a thick mat or carpet. So I've removed my mat. In order to lift the handlebar upwards, you have to completely loosen the orange tabs on the outer side of each side. Once that is released, you can go ahead and lift up, and then you'll have to tighten them back up. Once this is done, you can go ahead and unfold the bottom. Whoa! Look at that. All right, let's look at the accessories. Here we've got a phone shelf or an iPad, perhaps. Nice and secure there. Once it's ready and plugged in, the plug adapter is at the front. Go ahead and plug that in. Then right beside that, there is a little switch to turn on. And there you go. And it's already speaking to me. It says safe. Safety clip. This goes underneath in the orange little section there, and you clip this onto yourself for safety. We've got some side rails here. Wow. All right, so let's check this out. Turn it on, push it down. It's got a countdown, and it'll start to go. Turn it up to the speed that you want. This is 3. It's got the timer going. It's got the speed I'm going. It's got the distance, and it's got the calories that I'm burning. Having this handle here is, for me, I just love it. I feel safer. I feel like I've got a grip on something. I actually miss my treadmill. I had one at my other house for about 15 years, and I used it twice every single day. So not having one for a long time and now having this, I'm already in love. I can tell you right away. It's foldable. It could fit under most beds and some couches, so it can really fold away and you don't even have to see it. Pull it out when you want to walk. If it's too hot out, if it's too cold out, if it's raining, you've got your steps covered. This is incredible. It's not shaking, it's not wobbling. The pad is staying in place. Sometimes when you have one of these walking pads, they slide off. This one is just solid. Solid, solid. Plenty of room, so if you have a longer step, like your gait is different, mine is a little bit narrow, but if you had a longer step, the pad is perfect. And you can pull out your safety. Let's try folding it back up. In go the arms, click into place, go to the bottom, fold that over, come over to your orange sides, unscrew them, fold it down, unplug it, wheel it away. I think this is an incredible piece of home gym equipment. You can walk when it's raining, when it's hot, when it's cold. You can get those steps in from the comfort of your own home. And as I said, it slides underneath your bed and most couches, so it'll be just moved out of your way, out of your mind, out of your space until you're ready to use it. So I love it. I'm looking forward to bringing you workouts on it. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Please like, share, comment, and kindly subscribe. Those are all free things that you can do that help my channel and our community get picked up by the algorithm so more people can find us and do free workouts at home as well. So thank you for doing your part in that department. I really appreciate it. See you in the next video. Bye for now.
Thank you for making your fitness deposit into your wellness tank with me.